Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of uniquely decorated front porch Halloween decoration ideas to make your Halloween decor more unique and beautiful by adding different and unique concepts to your home decorations on Halloween parties to be celebrated or created with your family or friends. You can enjoy this time. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas to create on this Halloween. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated some spooky ideas of Halloween decoration to decorate your front porch by adding different and unique concepts to these sort of decorative arrangements. You can make up different unique concepts for your arrangements that you want to be create for this Halloween by using different pumpkin decoration ideas or some other unique skeleton theme ideas can be created to be displayed as a hanging or placed on the floor. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas to create different and unique wreath decoration ideas to decorate your front porch or hanging these sort of wreaths on your front doors. You can create different and unique concepty ideas by using some scary or horribly created ideas for your home decor. Viewers, these are some uniquely decorated ideas that you will love to create for your Halloween decorations or throwing a party for your family or friends. You can create different unique concepts or ideas that will add some more uniqueness to your Halloween parties or create some costume parties for Halloween. You can add up some theme idea for your decorations also. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some latest or creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.